Coming up right now, how to clean your AirPods without damaging them. So step one is you want to get yourself a microfiber cloth. Microfiber cloths are great because they can clean without using a lot of cleaning chemicals. Make sure you get a lint-free one though. You don't want lint jammed in all the little holes in your AirPods. Personally, I like these OdoBan MicroShams. You can pick these up at Home Depot. We'll give you a link in the description so they're easy to find. Now what's great about these is they can remove up to 99% of bacteria just through mechanical action without actually using any chemical disinfectants.
Step 2, take your microfiber cloth and just slightly wet it in some plain water. Be sure to wring it out so that it's not so damp, because you definitely don't want to get any kind of water or moisture inside the AirPods. Some are water resistant, but none of them are waterproof.
Step 3, use your damp microfiber cloth to wipe your AirPods from top to bottom, and always move to a clean section of your cloth every time you wipe. This actually removes the germs instead of just pushing them around when you scrub them.
Step 4, you still want to clean those cracks and crevices, but you don't want to use any kind of moisture. So use just a dry corner of your microfiber sham or a standard cotton swab. You want to be able to get in there and just go ahead and get out things like the earwax and the dust, but never use anything sharp on them because you could damage them.
Step 5, use a dry section of your microfiber cloth to completely dry your AirPods before using them or putting them back in the charging case.
Speaking of the charging case, how would you clean that?
Well, Apple tells us you can actually wipe down the outside of your case with good old rubbing alcohol. Now, I like the 91% instead of the standard 70 because it dries a little faster. As for the inside, you can wipe this out with a dry cotton swab, but Apple says never stick anything down inside the charging ports because you may damage the charging system.
All right, my AirPods are clean and ready to rock.
Until we see you guys next time, make life fresh. Thanks for watching this episode of The Odo Show on YouTube.
And if you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button so that you always have a notification of when we're on.
We're kicking out great cleaning content all the time. So until next time, make life fresh.